Installation video for our heavy-duty wall workstation. Using a stud finder, locate the stud inside the wall. Position the bottom wall bracket against the stud and use a level to ensure it is perfectly vertical. Mark the mounting hole locations. Drill pilot holes at the marked locations. Position the wall bracket over the pilot holes. Install the supplied lag screws and washers and tighten until secure. Concrete or brick wall installation. Position the bottom wall bracket in the desired installation location. Use a level to ensure the bracket is vertical. Mark the mounting hole locations. Drill the mounting holes into the concrete or masonry surface. Position the wall bracket over the anchors and install the supplied hardware and washers, then tighten until secure. Install the arm supports. Slide the support pole into the wall bracket and tighten the locking set screws until secure. Slide the keyboard collar onto the pole at the desired height, then tighten the Allen screw until secure. Screw the top support pole onto the bottom support pole, then secure it in place with the locking screw. Then add a cable management clip. Slide a support collar onto the pole and tighten the Allen bolts at the desired height. Then slide the monitor arm onto the pole. Place the top wall bracket onto the top of the support pole, then use a level to ensure it is perfectly vertical. Mark the mounting hole locations, then remove the wall bracket. Drill pilot holes at the marked locations. Position the wall bracket over the pilot holes and install the supplied lag screws and washers. Insert the keyboard support arm into the collar, then slide the gas spring arm into the support arm, then tighten both security screws. Attach a cable management clip to the support pole. Place the two sides of the tray together as shown and secure them using the brace and provided screws. Then secure the cable management clips to the back of the tray. And place the keyboard tray onto the VESA plate as shown. Secure the tray to the plate using the provided screws. Place the tray pads onto the tray as shown here. Insert the monitor gas spring arm onto the monitor arm support and tighten the security screw. Install the VESA mount head using the required hardware and spacers as shown. Start by removing the safety bolt from the back of the VESA plate and then removing the VESA plate from the VESA mount. Then install the VESA plate to the back of the monitor using the appropriate size screws and spacers for your display. Lift the monitor and hook the VESA plate onto the VESA mount head. Once fully seated, tighten the locking screw. Start by removing the bolts from the bottom of the bracket and separating the two pieces. Using a stud finder, locate the stud inside the wall. Position the bracket against the wall and mark the mounting hole locations. Drill pilot holes and then loosely secure the bracket to the wall, leaving room between the wall and the bracket to install the straps. Loop the security straps through the back holes, making sure not to twist them, then finish installing the lag bolts to the wall. Place the two parts together with the washers in between. Then secure them with the hand tightening bolts. Then loop the security straps through the front side bracket as shown here. Slide the desktop into place and secure it by tightening the security straps. If the monitor drops downward, rotate the spring tension adjustment screw counterclockwise. If the monitor rises upward, rotate the adjustment screw clockwise. Make small adjustments until the monitor remains balanced throughout its range of motion. If the monitor's tilt is too loose, tighten the tilt adjustment screw by turning it clockwise. If the tilt is too stiff, loosen the screw slightly by turning it counterclockwise. The keyboard tray tension can be adjusted in the exact same way. Cable management. Run cables through the cable management channels on each arm, then slide the cable covers into place. For the keyboard tray, use the cable clips to hold the cables in place, then run the cables through the cable management channels. Secure the cables using the cable clips installed on the pole.